Hey, it's time for another
Everyday Getaway.
And it's Tuesday, so we're back in the kitchen, and today we're gonna make a fun, easy Halloween treat that you can make with your kids or your grandkids. And this one is easy.
It is so easy, but on Halloween, we generally make a meal of all fun food. We have fun, everything from quesadillas that are shaped like pumpkins to dessert treats, and they're all Halloween funsies. So we just wanted to share some of those with you throughout the month of October.
Okay, so what is it we're gonna make?
We're gonna make Halloween s'mores.
Oh, fun.
Yeah, they're using Peeps, so those fun little marshmallow Peeps, but that are Halloween shapes, and nice easy s'mores, so maybe even fun for a campfire. All right.
Join us in the kitchen.
For the Halloween s'mores, there's not many ingredients. It's a nice, simple, easy recipe, but it's fun. And you got to have a little fun on Halloween. So we need these mini graham cracker crust or pie crust, little tartlet shells. They come in packs of either 6 or 12. We just have 6 for today. You need a Hershey bar for each one of those, and some Halloween Peeps. And we chose pumpkins, but they have little monsters. We've seen ghosts, I've seen skulls. So you can pick your favorite or get several and mix and match.
Okay, so I'm gonna start off doing probably the hardest part about the whole recipe is I'm gonna take our little pie shells and I'm gonna put them into our muffin pan here. And Gibson is getting excited. Okay, so I put in our 6 shells, and the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our candy bars and we lay one in each of the shells. Hey Tammy, are you gonna be a Bucky for Halloween?
I'm gonna be a Bucky. We thought it'd be fun every week in the month of October as we make our recipes to dress up for Halloween. Today, I'm a Bucky's fan. There we go. All right, so Hershey bars, we've opened them up. I'm gonna go ahead and break them in half, even though they're minis. So they kind of fit in the bottom. They're gonna melt up a little bit, but we're just gonna cover those. When we make s'mores at home, we also like to put Resee cups in the bottoms of some. So if you would like to switch out the Hershey bars for Resee cups, I think that would work well. Or maybe even Rolo candies if you put 2 or 3 of those in the bottom. But we're going traditional for now, so just Hershey bars.
Okay, so I'm gonna take our Halloween Peeps, and I will say it was really hard to find these. We found these at Kroger's, but we went to a couple of Walmarts and they did not have Halloween Peeps, which I thought was really interesting. But, so we're gonna take our Halloween Peeps, I'm gonna go ahead and open them up. And we're gonna take our pumpkins and we're gonna put 1 pumpkin on top of each set of Hershey bars here.
I think these set of 6 were like $1.79 at Kroger, and they did have several kinds, but we were only making 6, so we didn't purchase some. But I will put in some pictures right after this slide of some of the other Peeps that they had.
Okay, so I've got them all set up in there.
So cute. So we found skulls, ghosts, and monsters. And by the way, is it just me, or does that look like Doug, the cartoon Doug? And supposedly there are spooky cats, but we didn't find the spooky cats anywhere. So this might be a little bit random, but even though these are mass produced, they do have personality. Look at this little guy. He's kind of got a funny face. We got a little happy guy. This one's looking a little, I don't know. He's mischievous, I think, but I think that's fun in itself. All right, we're going to go into the oven. It's set at 350, and we're going to let it sit in for about 8 minutes.
Okay, I think this is a really easy but kind of strange little treat. But if you have kids and they like s'mores, I think this would be great for the Halloween season.
Before
if you notice, the marshmallow's really melted, the chocolate's really melted. Got some crust in there, so try to get a little bit of everything here. See, that looks pretty good.
Now, marshmallows are not Doug's favorite, so.
But that is a really good s'more. That's better than I thought it would be.
All right, here's a cute little guy's face, but if I lift it up under there, there's a lot of ooey gooey melting of the marshmallow and the chocolate. When our boys were little, they loved making s'mores, and if we couldn't get outside and make s'mores, they would even do them in the fireplace or melt the marshmallows in the microwave. And I think children would love this because it's fun, it's easy, and I mean, you can't go wrong with Halloween Peeps, right?
Actually, I think the Peep is better melted than it is just out of the package.
I agree with that. This is delicious. I really like it.
Okay, well, she's going in for another bite. I'm going to say thank you to all of those that have subscribed recently. Again, if you've liked this video, please hit the like button, share it out. It really does help us out. And if you haven't subscribed, give us a try. It's really easy and it doesn't cost you anything and it helps us out a lot.
Now, I think I took too big of a bite on the last one, so I couldn't describe it because my mouth was full. But chocolate is so delicious. The Peep, like Doug said, I think I like the Peeps like this better than I do eating a regular Peep. Together, it really does taste like a s'more minus the smokiness of the fire. But I absolutely love this. I think children will love this. And what a fun thing to do on a Halloween night.
Hey, well, she's having that one more bite. Thank you again for joining us today. Take care of yourself and please take care of others.
Bye-bye. All right, just to follow up, we finished that off pretty quickly. It's so good. I really like that. Yum.
Join us next week for another fun Halloween treat.